Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is As You Wish. I know that you all are like to draw the topic as you wish. So dear student, ready with your copy and pencil and important drawing material things. So dear student, look at the board and follow my drawing. Listen, you all listen very carefully that you won't make this border line or box on your copy. Suppose this is your copy, okay, you won't draw this box on your copy. I have repeated 2 times that so that you should remember this. So dear student, look at the board. First I will draw the house. This is the reverse V, okay. Then give the straight line and this type of line. Draw line, this line and join line like this. Draw a haystacks and tree also. You know that by true curve line we have drawn the tree and join the curve lines. Then we will give the far village and on the house give the window, door, and here you can draw a banana tree also, okay. Now give the river. You all know how to draw the boat. Now I will draw a sailing boat. And give the rivers. Now I will draw a girl who have seated under the tree. And a man who have carried something like this. Okay, and give some grass. And I have used here 2 bamboos. For this type of plant. Dear student, I have completed my drawing and now I will tell you how I have colored the picture. Look at the board. I have already colored a picture for you. Always you will color the big space first. That means on this scenery big space is sky, yard, then the river. So I have colored first sky by light blue and deep blue, and on the yard I have used here light yellow, light green color, and here I have used here deep yellow and brown color. on the tree figure I have used here brown color and blue color, and tree leaves I have used here first light yellow, light green, deep green, and after for the finishing I have used here some deep blue color. And on the river I have used light sky color. Okay, and on the heart I have used here light yellow, orange color and brown color. And on the haystacks I have used here deep yellow, that means yellow ochre, and then I have used here brown color. And on these bamboos I have used here also brown color, and these types of plant I have used here green color. And on the banana tree I have used here first deep green, light green and more light green. And on the figure dresses I have used here blue, purple, and on the girls dresses I have used here pink and ocean blue, that means Prussian blue. Here the far village I have used here also Prussian blue. And on the board is at this place I have used here deep brown color, and on this place I have used here light yellow, orange color and black color also. And on the sail I have used here orange color and red color, and on the boatman I have used here purple and blue color. And look, I have give the shade by orange color. I have given the shade of sail, so you should give this by orange color. So dear student, I hope you all have understood how I have colored and how I have drawn this picture. Dear student, remember this is also your SW, and your submission date is 9th August. You should submit your SW 9th August 8 am to 4 pm. Practice at your home more and more time, and don't forget to submit your SW, because your SBS, city and diary marks also depends on your SW. So dear student, stay at your home, abide by your parents. Thank you for today.